Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Swagtron T580 Hoverboard. If you're searching for a hoverboard that goes far, the Swagboard T580 from Swagtron has one of the longest ranges we've seen. This is all thanks to its powerful dual motors. This is a solid pick for both newbies and more experienced riders. It doesn't go too fast and is reasonably easy to control and balance on. The board may not be totally devoid of gimmicks and distractions since it has Bluetooth functionality, which makes it appealing to older children. This is a simple yet eye-catching product, and it's easy to transport or take with you on trips. Furthermore, the hoverboard speed can be controlled by an app. This is particularly useful for parents who are concerned about the safety of their children by limiting its maximum speed. Number 2 in this best hoverboard for kids list is Sisygad Hoverboard Self-Balancing Scooter. This Sissygat hoverboard for girls partly because girls will love the appearance. It's metallic and shiny with bright LED lights. But it has also received outstanding reviews from parents and grandparents. Besides the wonderful exterior, it contains a powerful little motor, which enables the board to reach a significant speed. Thanks to self-balancing technology, even beginners can ride it. Parents noted how well it worked for newbies. The ride is smooth, thanks to an included suspension system and rubber tires. The board can carry up to 200 pounds and weighs a mere 20 pounds. In the package, you'll also receive a carry bag. Our third pick is Gyroor Warrior Off-Road Hoverboard. The Gyroor Warrior Hoverboard is meant for going off-road. With large, sturdy tires and a rugged exterior, it excels in durability and resilience. Parents like how reliable the board feels, even rough children can play without breaking it. It includes powerful dual motors, enabling the hoverboard to reach a speed of 9.95 miles per hour. It offers a range of up to 9.5 miles, although when going off-road, it's a little less. Nonetheless, it's a good hoverboard, which both children and adults can enjoy. It can carry a load of up to 265 pounds. The Warrior 8.5-inch off-road hoverboard is made from a perfect combination of UL-approved materials which make up its sturdy structure that guarantees durability while keeping you safe during rides and allowing you enjoy this hoverboard for years to come. With 8.5-inch solid tires and 700 watts motor, you can be sure of a smooth and easier ride on all terrains. So, feel free to ride on grass, dirt, gravel or wet surfaces. Ride like a warrior. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best hoverboard for kids list is Lieagle Self-Balancing Scooter Hoverboard. For children aged 13 and up, it's a tough board with loads of power, which may take some time to adjust to. Don't let that put you off, it's still worth a look as it has a lot to offer. With 6.5-inch wheels and a roomy deck, even adults can ride it without issues. The materials used offer outstanding durability, and it can handle every terrain your teen might throw at it. High-intensity LED headlights provide you safer ride at night. Now you can ride it to anywhere at any time. Awesome RGB LED design with color lights give you a colorful and freely experience. Built-in wireless speaker can be easily connected to portable devices in seconds. Just enjoy your favorite music or books without wearing headphones. Make your hoverboard the coolest one with extraordinary sound effect. Awesome RGB LED design with color lights and music give you a colorful and freely experience. The hoverboard easy to learn and maintain balance. It can go straight, make a turn and rotate for 360 degrees locally, and is operated at will. Powerful 200 watts brushless motors provides an awesome hoverboard riding experience. Last in this list is Sissygat Hoverboard Electric Scooter. If your child wants something eye-catching, then this hoverboard is worth a look. It sports a bright, fun finish and great features to match. Your youngster should love riding it. It has a top speed of 9 miles per hour but includes technologies to help the rider keep their balance. The hoverboard provides a smooth ride, thanks to its 6.5-inch wheels. The deck is wide, making it easy to balance and stand on. It can carry up to 200 pounds and features non-slip pedals, giving the user a secure stance. Built-in wireless speaker can be easily connected to portable devices in seconds. Just enjoy your favorite music or books without wearing headphones. Full of technology and easy to learn for beginners and amateurs. Li-ion batteries, dual hub motors, quick charging. Enjoy the speed and free yourself completely. For details, let's watch more.